To find out the area of this section of circle with angle 24 degrees when the area of this whole circle is 210 centimeter square. To solve this problem, we should use the alternative approach. That is, you must be well aware that there are 360 degrees in a full whole rotation of a circle. So, the total area of this circle must be equivalent to the 360 degrees of the circle. Therefore, the area of 360 degrees section of circle equals to 210 centimeter square. Now in this problem, we have to find out the area of 24 degrees. However, we know that 360 degree equals to 210 centimeter square. Now equate with the equation. So the equation becomes 360 degree area equals to 210 centimeter square. Now divide by 360 on both sides of the equation. This becomes 1, and here after dividing by 30 it becomes 7 and 12. So from here 1 degree area equals to 7 by 12 centimeter square. So for 1 degree section the area is this 7 upon 12 centimeter square. So to find out we must multiply by 24 in this area. So it becomes for 24 degree area equals to 7 by 12 into 24 centimeter square. It is 2, it becomes 14. So for 24 degree angle section area, the total area is 14 centimeter square for this circle. So after this whole exercise, we got a simple formula to find out the area of a section. So area of section equals to angle of the section divided by 360 and multiplied by area of the whole circle. This formula can be used here also, like area of section equals to angle of the section is 24 divided by 360 into area of circle is 210. This is 7, 12, this is 2 equals to 14.